Before changing channels on the Spectrum TV app, you need to ensure your Samsung TV is compatible. The Spectrum TV app works with Samsung Smart TVs from 2017 and newer models. First, make sure the Spectrum TV app is installed on your Samsung TV and that you're logged in with your Spectrum credentials. You can find the app in the Samsung Smart Hub. Once the app is running, you'll use your Samsung TV remote to navigate. The key to accessing channels is the right directional button on your remote. When you press the right button, the channel guide will appear on your screen. This interface shows all available channels with their current programs and times. Use the directional buttons on your remote to scroll through the channel guide. Navigate up and down to browse different channels, and left and right to see program schedules. Press the Select button to choose a channel. Some Spectrum remotes also offer voice control functionality. If your remote has a microphone button, you can press and hold it to use voice commands for changing channels. That's how you change channels on the Spectrum TV app using your Samsung TV remote. Remember to press the right button to access the guide, navigate with the directional buttons, and select your desired channel. When the Spectrum TV app isn't working properly on your Samsung TV, there are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to resolve common issues. First, verify that your Samsung TV is compatible with the Spectrum TV app. The app works with Samsung Smart TVs from 2017 and newer models. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough. Spectrum recommends a minimum speed of 10 megabits per second for optimal streaming performance. If compatibility and internet speed aren't the issue, try power cycling your TV. Turn off the TV, unplug it from the power outlet, wait 1 full minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. Another effective solution is clearing the Spectrum app's cache. Navigate to your TV's settings, find the Spectrum app in your App Management section, and select Clear Cache. Keep both the Spectrum TV app and your Samsung TV's firmware updated to the latest versions. Outdated software is a common cause of app malfunctions. If problems persist, try completely uninstalling and then reinstalling the Spectrum TV app. This can resolve corrupted app data issues. For remote control issues, you may need to sync your Spectrum remote with your Samsung TV by entering a specific pairing code. Check your remote's manual for the correct code. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve your issue, contact Spectrum customer support for additional assistance. They can provide specialized help for your specific situation. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most common issues with the Spectrum TV app on your Samsung TV.